First meal in Sapa.
Last meal in Hanoi.
Tastiest ginger tea.
Room with a view for only 2,500 Philippine pesos.
Xofa Bistro.
Creamy scrambled egg, bacon, spinach, and pancakes.
Do you see incidents?
Bounciest scrambled eggs.
What's your place on the scene?
On our way to Sapa.
Do you see incidents?
Enjoying our massage beds.
Some real life happening. What's your place on the scene? Do you see incidents? A sequence of continuous events. Some great fiction.
Arrived in Sapa after almost 6
What's your
hours.
place on the scene?
Saparis Hotel, Sapa.
No, only there.
Our room is giving an old vibe, but super clean.
We have a balcony view overlooking the city and Sapa Lake.
Do you see some real
Looks like we have everything we would need.
Do you see
On the way to the nearest restaurant for dinner.
some great fiction?
The tastiest ginger tea I've ever had.
Everything tasted super delicious.
Kailang kaon guys.
Some great fiction.
Saparis restaurant. Highly recommended.